In this presentation, you're going to learn 10 different ways you can drive yourself to do good things. Let's get started. Method number 1. Don't aim for perfection. Perfection is extremely difficult to achieve. If you want to succeed, you're going to have to aim a notch lower. You'll find there's more room for growth, and you'll have more fun learning from the experience. Method number 2. Have a mantra. Your mantra will help motivate you to keep going. Believe in what you're saying, and you'll soon find yourself getting closer to achieving your goals. Method number 3. Always look at the positive side of things. Many extraordinary people are positive thinkers. When you think positively, you tend to see the good and great in many things. Method number 4. Have a detailed to-do list. It will be difficult to do great things if you're unorganized. Have an actionable plan, a detailed to-do list for your day. Life is short. Maximize the time you have left to achieve your goals. Method number 5. Look at what other great people are doing. Read about your favorite entrepreneurs or your favorite statesmen. Look at what they're doing. How did they get where they are now? Figure out what makes them unique from regular Joes. Apply what you've learned to your own life. Method number 6. Learn to embrace failure. Many people are afraid of failure. But there's really nothing to be afraid of. Failure is a fact of life. Embrace it and learn from it so you can grow and succeed in the future. Method number 7. Acquire positive habits. Acquiring positive habits is a must. But before you can do this, you need to let go of your negative habits first. Your new habits will contribute greatly to your success. Method number 8. Read inspirational books. No matter how busy you get, always find the time to read inspirational books. A few pages or a chapter each day will inspire you to do great things in your life. Method number 9. Listen to motivational podcasts. Podcasts are wonderful in that you can listen to them while you're on the go. Whether you're at the gym or driving to work, motivational podcasts will help you feel motivated and energized throughout the day. Method number 10. Reward yourself for every big achievement. Have you been wanting to buy a big-ticket item like the latest smartphone, a new car, a powerful laptop, a house? Then use it as a motivational tool. Buy it only when you achieve your goal.